Hey everybody, Vanessa here from Degania Aromatics, natural products for the three dimensions of you. You are a spirit, you have a soul, you live in a body that is fearfully and wonderfully made. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I am going to be demonstrating how to make the lava lamp lip gloss. The recipe and the instructions were created by Angela Carrillo, whereby she demonstrated the whole process at the 2022 HSCG conference. The recipe and the instructions will be in the comment section below. Angela has also written a book, and it is called Bath Bonanza. In her book, she goes through all the steps of creating aromatic products with groups of kids. For the January 2023 Making Soap magazine, I did a review of her book. You can find the link in the comment section below. Also, the book is available through Amazon, and you will also find a link for that in the comment section below. So let's get started. I just want to tell you, this is a fun project. It is easy to do with kids. As I demonstrated, you may say, well, it's so simple. However, we have to consider when we're working with children, they do have a lot of fantastic and very interesting questions. So let me put my gloves on and I will be right with you. So let's look at our equipment here. It's in this glass container. It's basically you also use it for roll-ons, but it's going to be a lip gloss. And we have the top. I have 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of fractionated coconut oil. In this container, I have lip flavor or flavor, and it's called melon. And in this container here, I have a lip safe mica. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix the mica with the fractionated coconut. Now what you need to remember when you're working with this, you only need a pinch. So what will happen if you were doing this with kids, you would have all the kids come up to you and get their fractionated coconut oil. Or you could also use sunflower oil, but if you use fractionated coconut oil, they can see the color better. And then you would give them a teeny tiny bit of mica. It has to be lip safe. And you will instruct the children to stir the mica well. And this will take some time because I have worked with kids, and in the process of them stirring, there has to be lots of conversation. So you make sure you tell them, stir it up really, really well. You want to get that mica completely incorporated. And as you can see, hopefully you can see it well enough. And we have the mica here, and it's incorporated. The next step in the project, and it's so simple, you just tell the kids, we're going to pour the fractionated coconut oil and the colorant inside our container here, and tell them to be very careful and take their time and to pay attention, and we slowly pour it in. Isn't that pretty? And don't worry if it doesn't come all the way to the top. And then they use 2 drops of their flavor. I'm using melon, so I add in 2 drops. Then the next step in the process, of course, remember we are working with children. You tell them to come to you. And you, Miss Teacher or Mr. Teacher, we're going to put the roller on top. And then we're going to put the cap on, and we tell them to shake it. And they're going to shake it. And then they get to experience and see their lip gloss. And depending on if you use a colorant that's drops, that is a drop base or a liquid base, you will see the drops move that back and forth. But this is a simple, very simple project to do with kids. It's really fun. They have a good time. That's it. This is a free recipe provided by Angela. And I hope you enjoyed it. I love this color. Kind of matches my, not exactly, but you know, it's a good hookup for my my shirt here, right? So this is Vanessa again. Thank you for joining me. Remember to take a look at the comment section. Take a look at Angela's book on Amazon. There's a link there. Take a look at the write-up and the Making Soap magazine. Thank you for watching and be abundantly blessed. See you on my next video. Bye-bye for now.